Hello, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and we are fast approaching Valentine's Day. But luckily for you, I have a delicious sweet treat that'll be perfect for your sweetheart. So get ready for some vegan chocolate-covered strawberries. Let's dive in. Grab 2 pots that can easily fit on top of each other and fill the bottom one with some water. Bring that water to a boil and then place the other one on top. The steam from the pot on the bottom will give us a perfect platform to melt our chocolate without burning it. Now add in 1 bag of vegan chocolate chips, or if you're like me, you have 2 half-empty bags. Whoops. Mix those on the heat and soon you'll have a delicious pot of melty chocolatey goodness. Now grab a couple of freshly washed strawberries and place them in the chocolate. Grabbing the stem, roll the berry through the chocolate so it becomes evenly coated. Now carefully remove the strawberry from the chocolate and place them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. A toothpick can help a lot during that process. Once all the berries are coated, toss that in the fridge for at least an hour to let that chocolate shell harden up. Keep them refrigerated till you're ready to serve, and let's plate this dish. I am just in love with these. Now dark chocolate is a lot less sweet than a standard milk chocolate, which is why it pairs perfectly with the natural sweetness of these strawberries. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite Valentine's Day dishes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Yeah.